Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is Muslim scientists, philosophers and travelers. In this chapter we will study the culture of knowledge in early Muslims and famous travelers and scholars from 19th to 15th century. Ibn Battuta 1304 till 1368. Ibn Battuta was a Muslim Berber Moroccan scholar and explorer who widely traveled the medieval world over a period of 30 years. Ibn Battuta visited most of the Islamic world and many non-Muslim lands including Central Asia, Southeast Asia, India and China. Students, Ibn Battuta was an early Muslim traveler. Traveler means who loves to visit different places. He was a Berber Moroccan scholar. Students, Berber was an ethnic group of western region of North Africa. People who lived there, they used to speak Berber languages. Berber languages are especially spoken in Morocco. Berber are the first non-Arab people to have established an Islamic state. In medieval era, means in Middle Ages, Ibn Battuta was a first person who traveled by foot and on animal back and covered a distance of 120,000 kilometers. Because at that time there were no aeroplanes and luxury cars. Moreover, he also visited Islamic world and non-Muslim land such as Central Asia, Southeast Asia, India and China. Al-Biruni 973 till 1050. Abu Rehan al-Biruni 973 till after 1050 was an Iranian scholar and polymath during the Islamic Golden Age. He has been variously called as the founder of ideology, father of comparative religion, father of modern geodesy, and the first anthropologist. Students, Abu Rehan al-Biruni was a scholar. A scholar means a person who is highly qualified in a particular subject or have a command on that subject. So he was a polymath in golden ages. Polymath means a person who knows about different subjects. इनको फाउंडर ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी भी कहा जाता था. इनको फादर ऑफ कंपैरेटिव रिलीजन भी कहा जाता था, बिकॉज ये डिफरेंट रिलीजन पर भी स्टडी किया करते थे, इसीलिए इनको फादर ऑफ कंपैरेटिव रिलीजन भी कहा जाता था. ही वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ फादर ऑफ जियोडेसी. जियोडेसी मीन्स a subject of applied mathematics, because he loved to understand the geometric shape of earth and space. Moreover, he has a good command on anthropology. Anthropology means the study of human society and its culture. So he has a good knowledge of anthropology. That's why he was called a father of anthropologists. Ibn Rushd 1126 till 1198. Ibn Rushd's philosophy is seen to be based upon a complex and original philosophy of languages which expresses his critique of the accepted methods of argument in Islamic philosophy up to his time. Ibn Rushd, Abul Walid Muhammad 1126 till 98. इब्न रुश्द वॉज अ ग्रीक फ़िलासफ़र। इनकी फ़िलासफ़ी काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स हुआ करती थी क्योंकि इनकी फ़िलासफ़ी रिलीजन पर बेस किया करती थी। इनकी इस्लामिक फ़िलासफ़ी में ज़्यादातर क्रिटिसिज्म यानी तनकीद नज़र आती थी क्योंकि ये अपनी फ़िलासफ़ीज़ में इस्लाम को दलाइल के साथ पेश किया करते थे। इब्न सीना 980 till 1037. Ibn Sina, also known as Abu Ali Sina, Pur Sina, and often known in the West as Avicenna, was a Persian polymath who is regarded as one of the most significant physicians, astronomers, thinkers, and writers of the Islamic Golden Age and the father of early modern medicine. स्टूडेंट्स, इब्न सीना को अबू अली सीना और पुर सीना के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। वेस्ट में इनको अवी सीना के नाम से जाना जाता है। इब्न सीना वॉज अ पर्शियन पॉलीमैथ। पर्शियन पॉलीमैथ मीन्स ही इज़ हाईली क्वालिफाइड इन पर्शियन सब्जेक्ट्स। Moreover, he was a physician and astronomer. Astronomer means a person who is familiar about astronomy. And what is astronomy? Astronomy is a study of sun, moon, and planets. Also, he was a thinker. Thinker means a person who deeply think about something, and he has a good command on medicine. That is why he was called a father of early modern medicine. Ibn Khaldun 1332 till 1406. Ibn Khaldun 27th May 1332 till 17 March 1406 was an Arab scholar of Islam, social scientist and historian who has been described as the father of the modern discipline of historiography. Ibn Khaldun was born in 27th May 1332 and died in 17 March 1406. इब्न खल्दून एक अरब स्कॉलर थे जिनकी हिस्ट्री पर काफ़ी स्टडी थी। हिस्ट्री कहते हैं जो हमारे पास्ट इवेंट्स होते हैं उनको हिस्ट्री कहा जाता है। सो बेसिकली ही वॉज अ हिस्टोरियन। दैट इज़ वाई ही वॉज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ modern discipline of historiography, because his aim is to reconstruct a record of human activities and to achieve a more profound understanding of them. Al-Khawarizmi Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khawarizmi, Arabized as Al-Khawarizmi and formally Latinized as algorithmic, was a Persian polymath who produced work in mathematics, astronomy, and geography around 820 CE. He was appointed as the astronomer and head of the library of the House of Wisdom in Baghdad. मोहम्मद इब्न मूसा अल-ख़वारिज़मी को अरब के लोग अल-ख़वारिज़मी के नाम से जानते थे। लैटिन में इनको अलगोरिथमिक के नाम से जाना जाता था। He is also a polymath and has a wide knowledge about different subjects such as mathematics, astronomy, and geography. Al-Khawarizmi को 820 CE मीन्स कॉमन एरा में बगदाद की लाइब्रेरी में एज अ एस्ट्रोनॉमर अपॉइंट किया गया था और इनको हाउस ऑफ विजडम लाइब्रेरी का हेड बना दिया गया था। उमर अल-ख़य्याम 1048 till 1125. Umar Khayyam was a Persian mathematician, astronomer, philosopher, and poet. He was born in Nishbur in northeastern Iran and spent most of his life near the court of Kara Khanid and Seljuk rulers in the period which witnessed the First Crusade. Students, Umar al-Khayyam was a Persian mathematician. He was also a philosopher, astronomer, and a poet also. He was born in northeastern part of Iran at Nishpur. Students, Umar al-Khayyam ने अपनी लाइफ खारा खनिद के कोर्ट में और सुल्जुक रूलर्स के साथ गुजारी जब क्रूसेड वॉर्स यानी कि रिलीजियस वॉर्स हुआ करती थी।